For nearly half a century, Games Workshop has been at the forefront of tabletop gaming, captivating the imaginations of millions of worldwide with its immense worlds, intricate miniatures, and compelling narratives. Established in 1975, the British company has evolved from a small cottage industry to a global powerhouse of the hobby gaming industry. In this video, we're going to take a fairly overview look at the incredible journey of Games Workshop and the impact it's had on the tabletop gaming landscape, the creative passions of countless wargamers. Games Workshop was founded by Steve Jackson and Ian Livingstone, who initially operated the business as a mail order shop for board games, miniatures and role-playing games. The company's early days saw it importing and distributing titles such as Dungeons & Dragons and Traveller RPGs in the UK, contributing to the growing popularity of role-playing games and tabletop sort of in games, board games and all the rest of it. Then in 1983, Games Workshop introduced Warhammer Fantasy Battles, which was a tabletop war game set in a dark and fantastical world. This release marked the inception of the Warhammer franchise, which would go on to define Games Workshop's identity. The game featured epic battles, intricate lore, and finely detailed miniatures that players could paint and customize. As the years progressed, the emergence of Warhammer 40,000. This followed on the success of Warhammer Fantasy Battles, and Game Workshop unveiled Warhammer 40k in 1987. This science fiction themed tabletop war game transported players to the grim far future universe of the 31st millennium, populated by iconic factions such as Marines, Space Marines, Orcs and Eldar. Warhammer 40k popularity gained rapidly and securing its place as one of the most enduring and popular war games in the world. Miniature masterpieces, Citadel miniatures and paintings. Games Workshop's Citadel miniatures became synonymous with the exceptional craftsmanship and innovation. These miniatures allowed gamers and collectors to engage in creative expression by painting and assembling their models. Games Workshop paints tools were designed specifically for their miniatures and opened up a world of possibility for hobbyists to bring their creations to life. As time went on, they started to expand into other areas such as novels, comics and video games. They used their vast and immersive lore, which have been to be further explored through novels, comics, video games, and acclaimed authors like Dan Abbott and Graham McNeil have contributed to a rich library of fiction in the Warhammer and the Warhammer 40,000 universes. In addition, there have been video game adaptations such as Dawn of War and Total War Warhammer, and these have introduced these worlds to a broader audience, extending the reach of Games Workshop's intellectual properties. Games Workshop has cultivated a vibrant global community of gamers through events, tournaments and official stores such as Warhammer and Games Workshop outlets. These gatherings provide a platform for players to showcase their skills, creativity and passion for the hobby. The company's commitment to competitive gaming has given rise to events like Warhammer 40,000 Grand Tournaments, where players from around the world compete for prestige and honour. In recent years, Games Workshop has continued to innovate and adapt to the evolving gaming landscape. The company has rebranded its stores from Games Workshop to Warhammer, launched some new and updated versions of the games. They've replaced Warhammer Fantasy now with Age of Sigmar. They've also brought in innovative projects such as Warhammer Underworlds, Warhammer Quest, Cursed City. Games Workshop has continued to embrace the digital platforms, allowing people to access rules and resources online and engage with the community. As Games Workshop celebrates over 40 years in existence, it stands a testament to the enduring appeal of the tabletop creativity and storytelling, but the iconic franchise as well, with finely crafted miniatures and a dedication to creating immersive worlds. Games Workshop has left a huge mark on the world of the hobby gaming, and it continues to evolve and expand. More recently, they've brought out digital streaming, which is Warhammer Plus, which brings those worlds more to real life, it exploded it into more, we can make it more real. We have animated series and expanding on the lore and the look and feel of those universes. And we're probably going to see a lot more innovation as the years go by. Games Workshop has always managed to stay at the forefront of innovation within the hobby. Anyway, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.